Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Okay, everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the three okay, sorry. Um, this is still PNX, okay? Using the 3M trend near car trading indicator. And of course, guys, we will be checking out this asset on 15-minute time frame. This is GainX 1200. This had been on downtrend. I mean, it had been on uptrend right from here, and of course, broke out from this particular resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone. Okay, so this had been our point of interest. You can see when it got to this point today, it started a downtrend and it sold till it got to this particular region. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from here. So it went back up and it has got into this region. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. But if it's unable to go above this, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to go further. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, the next asset is going to be GainX 999. So guys, for GainX 999, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone and it has been selling since then. Okay, so it actually got to this support region. It has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so right from there, it started an uptrend. Okay, so we are most likely to see a retracement backward before going up. Okay, so this is very, very important, but this is going to be more of a buying opportunity also than a selling opportunity. Okay. The next asset is going to be PNX 1200. Okay. The only way this will not buy more is if it breaks out below this support zone. Okay. So now let's move on to PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200. PNX 1200 started a downtrend right from this region and it came to an end at this point. And of course, it's going back up right now, buying right now. Okay, so and of course once it is done with the buy, okay, so we are most likely to see it selling again, but for now it is buying. So we are expecting it to get to this particular spot first. Okay, so, and of course, it is still buying at the moment. Okay. Now let's move on to PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had been on uptrend, got to this resistance and was unable to go further. So it started a downtrend right from there and it is selling right from there. Okay. So I'm expecting to get to this trend line. And of course, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it's possible for us to have a buy trend right from there. Okay. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 is giving us a good signal right from here. Okay, so it has actually got into this region. It has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend, had a pullback, and of course right now it is selling. Okay, so this we expect it to get to this region first. Okay, so and if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. It's going to sell more if it breaks out from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and um that I have explained right here in this video. And of course, guys, you should understand it very well before you go fully into it. If for those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.